Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application, which is right here for me. And once you open it up, as you can see, there's no contacts right now. So once you open it up, you want to tap on the three bars and then navigate into the settings. Scroll down to import and choose that you want to import contacts from SIM card. Select OK, and this will then select all the contacts that are on your SIM card. As you can see, there is all the contacts that I have on mine, and by default they will all be selected. If you have some kind of contact that is already deselected and also grayed out to the point that you cannot select it, that means that this contact already exists on your phone and the phone is just stopping you from importing the same contact twice. So anyway, I can also deselect contacts that you don't want, and once you have everything selected, simply click on import. It will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and now if we go back, we should see them right over here. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.